Calendar. There are 12 months in a year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. There are 4 or 5 weeks in a month. There are 7 days in a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It is January the 1st. It is January the 2nd. It is January the 3rd. It is January the 4th. It is January the 5th. It is January the 6th. It is January the 7th. It is January the 8th. It is January the 9th. It is January the 10th. It is January the 11th. It is January the 12th. It is January the 13th. It is January the 14th. It is January the 15th. It is January the 16th. It is January the 17th. It is January the 18th. It is January the 19th. It is January the 20th. It is January the 21st. It is January the 22nd. It is January the 23rd. It is January the 24th. It is January the 25th. It is January the 26th. It is January the 27th. It is January the 28th. It is January the 29th. It is January the 30th. It is January the 31st.